Most expats think German taxes are a black box where money goes in but never comes out. But did you know there are completely legal backdoors, specifically for people in your situation, that can save you thousands of euros? I'm talking about expenses you can claim for up to 4 years back, putting your hard-earned money back into your pocket where it belongs. I've been working with expats for almost 10 years, so let me bring you the 10 best legal tax tricks to secure your financial future, while everyone else just complains about the tax bill. And number 6, that makes your health insurance fully tax deductible, will blow your mind. Do you have a phone? If yes, you can turn your monthly phone and internet bill into a direct tax win without keeping a single receipt. Finanzamt generally accepts a flat 20% of your private bills as a professional expense. No questions asked. This rule allows you to claim up to 20 euros per month, which adds up to a solid 240 euro every year. And if your work usage is much higher, you can claim up to 100% of the costs, but be careful. Once you exceed the 20 euro limit, Finanzamt will likely demand detailed proof like connection logs. This is the ultimate low effort trick because for most of you it requires zero paperwork to get money back. And the next trick gets you a much larger one-time refund for the gadgets that you use every day. Did you buy a new laptop or software lately? In the past, you had to spread the tax deduction for expensive furniture or work equipment over many years. For example, Finanzamt expected a desk to last 13 years, meaning you only got a tiny fraction of your money back every year. But the new digital AFA rule is your best friend. It allows you to write off the entire professional portion of equipment in the very first year, regardless of the price. Whether it's a 900 euro iPad or a 4,000 euro workstation, you get the full tax impact immediately. For most of you, a 50-50 split between private and professional use is accepted without any paperwork. But if you use the equipment at least 90% for the job, you can even deduct 100% of the cost. Tax trick number 3 moves the needle more than anything else on this list. The base pension, or Rürup in German, allows you to invest money that would otherwise go straight to Finanzamt. And the deduction limits are higher than ever. Over 30,000 for singles and over 60,000 for married couples. Let's say you are in the 42% income tax bracket. Then you are getting a massive government subsidy on your ETF portfolio. If you invest 10,000 euros into a ETF-based Basisrente, the real cost to you is only 5,800 euro, while the full 10k starts compounding for your retirement. It's the only way in Germany to reroute 5-figure tax payments into ETFs. If you want to see exactly how this fits your specific salary, you can book a free meeting with us with the link in the comments. Whether you drive, bike, or take the train, your daily commute is about to become a lot more valuable, because now you can claim a flat 38 cents for every kilometer of your commute, starting from kilometer 1. This is a massive upgrade for shorter commutes that used to be capped at 30 cents. And here's a trick within the trick. You don't have to use the shortest route to work if a longer one, like taking the Autobahn, saves you at least 10% of your travel time. So the question is your commute longer than 16 kilometers? Why? Because if your office is further than 16 kilometers away, driving is actually a bigger tax win than taking the 6 euro home office flat rate. It's a simple way to optimize your weekly routine for maximum cash flow. And if you moved completely, here's another trick. If you move for work reasons, Finanzamt pays a lot of the costs, as long as you save at least 1 hour of commuting time per day. For 2026, the flat rate for a single person is 964 euro plus an additional 643 euro for every family member moving with you. And if you move for work twice within the last 5 years, your flat rate actually increases by 50%. It is a massive liquidity boost for anyone relocating for a better career, and it keeps your paperwork to a minimum. Private health insurance is often significantly cheaper than the public system while offering premium care. And here is another tax trick that most people miss, the Vorauszahlung. Generally speaking, Finanzamt allows you to deduct 1,900 euro per year for insurances if you're employed or 2,800 euro if you're self-employed. My guess is that almost everyone watching pays way more than that for health insurance already, which effectively makes no other insurance tax deductible. But basic contributions to your private insurance are 100% deductible, regardless of the amount. And the law allows you to pay up to 3 years of your premium in advance. By doing this, you first deduct the entire amount from your taxable income in the current year, which is a massive win. And second, this is where the real magic happens, in the following years, your 1,900 euro annual insurance limit is suddenly free. This allows you to claim all other insurances like liability, legal, or disability that are usually swallowed by your health premiums. If you want to see if that makes sense for your specific salary, join our upcoming webinar on May 12th, where we deep dive into health insurance in Germany. The link is in the comments. When negotiating your next raise, a higher gross salary isn't always the best result. Rather ask for vouchers and gift cards worth 50 euros per month. This adds up to 600 euro per year, which lands in your pocket with 0 deductions for tax or social security. Employees at Perfinex, for example, get well pass so they can visit the gym for free. You could also get Kindergartenzuschuss, daycare costs, job ticket, all possible as long as it is only 50 euros per month. If it is just 1 cent more than that, the entire amount is subject to tax. And the next gift comes not from your employer, but from your landlord. Most expats ignore their annual utility bill, Nebenkostenabrechnung in German, but it is an absolute gold mine. You can deduct 20% of the labor costs for services like building cleaning, gardening, and even your chimney sweep, directly from your tax bill. This also includes the Hausmeister and winter services up to 4,000 euros per year. The key is to look for the labor costs or Lohnanteil section in your Nebenkostenabrechnung, as Finanzamt only pays for the work, not the materials. And what can you do with that extra money? Put it into your investment portfolio maybe. If your stocks and ETFs make a profit, you have to pay taxes. And if they go down, use them to shield your future profits from the 25% capital gains tax. But the rules are strict. Losses from individual stocks can only be offset against profits from other stocks, not ETFs. But losses from ETFs can be offset against losses from ETFs and stocks. Don't ask me why that is, it's the German tax code, I don't make the rules. Just document your losses with the Verlustbescheinigung from your broker and create a nice tax-free buffer for future profits. And the final tax trick is all about the right timing, because in the German tax system, the date you pay a bill is more important than the date you receive it. If you are already above the 1,230 euro Arbeitnehmerpauschbetrag, start bundling your expenses. Buy whatever you need before December 31st to maximize your refund this year. Same for craftsman services in your home. If a big repair costs 7,000 euros, it's too much because you can only deduct up to 6,000 euro of labor costs per year. So if you pay 6,000 euro in December and the remaining 1,000 euro next January, you rescue a 200 euro tax bonus that would otherwise be lost. And to bring a little romance into this video, if you get married even on the very last day of the year, you can claim the tax beneficial Ehegattensplitting for the entire 12 months retrospectively. Don't let these tax deadlines catch you off guard. I know the German tax code is complex, but it's designed to reward those who take action. So, join our free health insurance webinar on May 12th to make your health insurance tax deductible. And if you want to file your taxes in the easiest way possible, watch this video next. Thank you for watching until the very end und bis zum nächsten Mal.